Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about NIO INC. This is the class A ADR stock, and from the lows there are two ways to look at it. First, from the lows of October 2019, it has given a return of 2300%, and there is another way to look at it, is because this high which was your previous resistance has indeed broken out recently, and it is just a rally which you can see after the big breakout which has happened. Okay, now the way to look at this trend, so we are going to discuss about that. How do we look at the trend and what are the levels which one need to see or follow over a period of time because we have limited amount of data here. So this highlighted area is or I would say was your previous range. Now with this breakout, so with this breakout after 14.36, the new trend has already started in this company or in this stock. So now the levels which you can see is a fresh start, and obviously we'll have some corrections or consolidations, but there are more which is yet to come. And simply put this trend, what we can do here, that if we need to identify the probable targets which are yet to come in this particular script, what we need to do, we just need to calculate the length of the previous trend, which is around 670 odd percent, and we can simply replicate that trend with the current range. So what one can see here will be a target which is around $82 on the upside. Okay, so this is nothing but a statistical calculation that how the trend looks like, how the trend was in the previous term, and we are replicating the same thing in the current phase. Okay, and if you look at the trend, here and the support and resistance level, that is another way to look at it. Okay, so right now this is another way to look at it. I'm just try to create a trend out of the current range, and you will see that the similar kind of targets one could see probably in the months or in the years to come. So rather than 81 or 82, here you can consider a range which will be in between 56, and probably you can just stretch it up to $100 on the upside. So this is your trend, which will, because we don't know the exact movement of the stock, that's why it will be in a range in between $150 and $100, which will be your big target. And your big support, first support will be $23, and then you have your big support at $14. The one thing which we are not considering right now is a situation like this. Okay, if the stock has an exceptional growth like this, that we are not considering right now. So this is the stock which is looking up, and probably one could see a big target in the weeks and in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.